Hello, here we have additions of fraction. How do we add fractions together? We have this case here, number one, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. In this case, the denominator are the same. Denominator here is 3, denominator here is also 3. In this case, what we just do is add the numerator, then we have denominator is 3, just write 3, add the numerator 2 plus 1, 3. Then we have 3 over 3, that's 1 over 1, which is also the same thing as 1. Now, second example, second one here, we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. In this case, the denominator of the first fraction here is 3, the denominator of the second fraction here is 5. We cannot use the method, we have solved this. Now, we need to find the LCM of the denominator because they are different numbers. So the LCM of 3 and 5, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So the LCM, so we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. The LCM is 15. We divide them by the LCM. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 times 2, we have 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Multiply by 2 plus 15 divided by 5, 3 multiplied by 1. So we have 5 times 2, 10 plus 3 over 15. Then we have 13 over 15. That's how to add this case. Now looking at, let's move to the third question here. Here we have 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 1 over 3. Here in this case we have mixed fraction. Now let's look at denominator 2, 3. Different denominator they have here. So we need to find the LCM of 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Then we can then add up the whole number parts. 3 plus 2, that's 5. Then we have 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 multiplied by the numerator, which is 1, plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator, 1. Then we have 5. 3 times 1, 3, plus 2 times 1, 2, all over 6. We have 5 whole number, 5 over 6. We have add up this. Alternatively, we can also add fractions of this form. When we have mixed fraction, we can also change each of these to an improper fraction. That is, we change 3 whole number 1 over 2 to improper fraction. We have 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 1 over 3. 3 whole number 1 over 2. Here we change this to an improper fraction. We are going to have 7 over 2 plus 3 times 2, 6. We have 7 over 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we have 6 divided by 2, 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 7, 14. Then we have 21 plus 14 will give us 35 all over 6. We have an improper fraction. Then we change this back to mixed number. This is going to give us 5 whole number 5 over 6. We arrive at the same answer with the first method. It's either when we have this case, either use this method or this method. Surely